tradable on a set of specific exchanges, or an NFT that can only be traded on a set of specific marketplaces. If you want it, this has even deeper implications for automatically adhering to regulatory requirements, something that perhaps only DeFi products will be able to do. Anchoring the unlimited potential of the limitless metaverse possibilities of the multiverse itself into the fabric of reality can only be done by a decentralized network that is safe, secure, and above all, scalable. So, I will leave you with these key facts about the Elrond network execution environment. Smart contracts, fast, small, composable, upgradable, and 30% royalties for developers. Smart accounts, Web3 ID building blocks, associated data tree, key value storage, built-in functions. Tokens, fast Web3 payments, true ownership, royalties for NFTs, boundless creativity. Thank you.
Thank you, Robert, for the presentation. Hello, everyone. Bienvenue à tous. Hello, my name is Andrei Marinica. I'm core developer at Elrond, and I busy myself every day with such things as programming frameworks, SDKs, verification, testing methodologies, tools, and so on. And my declared goal is to make interactions between humans and machines seamless, right? And as you may know, machines don't always do what we want them to do, but they do what they tell them to do. So today, I want to talk to you about language, right? Now, why language? The internet is about communication, right? And the blockchain is a layer of trust built over the internet. So it only makes sense that we cannot make good use of it unless we have a very trustworthy language to work with it. And you see, what does it mean to have a good language in Web3? I did think about this a lot, and I think languages need to have a lot of qualities, and today I've chosen to talk about 5 of them. And these are like this. Clarity, right? Efficiency, precision, composability, and power. So let's go, shall we? What does clarity mean? Clarity means that something is transparent, that something is comprehensible. On a blockchain, this begins with a good explorer, right? These explorers, they are the future search engines of the future internet. And there's not one, there's many. There's probably people in this room who are building explorers right now. And I must tell you, you are building the gold of the future. Now, clarity is also about data. The internet is full of data, so are blockchains. And so, you see, we had to decide on a very good format. And we made a format that is very fast, very compact, but also very importantly, is very easy to read for everyone, even with the most basic tooling, or even with no tooling at all. Let's talk about smart contracts, shall we? What does it mean for a smart contract to be clear? It means that a lot of people, ideally everybody, can understand what a smart contract does very well. And this starts with syntax. Now, our programming language of choice for smart contracts is Rust, for many reasons. I won't go into them. But don't be fooled by that, because we've built a language on top of a language, or maybe many languages on top of a language. And we've done this because we want to have our programming be very accessible to anyone, to be palatable to developers of all backgrounds. So we don't want them to have to learn a lot to start coding. And this takes me to the next point. Clarity is also expressing your ideas right away. What does right away mean? Like minutes away. And for this reason, we've built the Elrond Playground. The Elrond Playground is a web application where you can go and you can start coding your first smart contract within minutes. Now, of course, if you want a little bit more than that, and of course, we have the Elrond IDE, which you can install on your local machine, and you can have a fully set up development environment within minutes. This IDE, it does everything you might want. It does building contracts, deploying contracts, testing them, debugging them. You can even spin your own a local testnet on your local machine. Now, I have a very important idea that I want to convey to you, and all good programmers know this. Good language is never about the how, it is about the what. It is never about technical details, it is about great ideas being conveyed. And we really, really care a lot about